Welcome friends, I'm Paul from Our Next Chapter. In this video, I'll be showing you from start to finish the Blackwater or poop tank replacement in our boat. I thought some people might be interested in seeing how we tackled this stinky job on a 3870 Bayliner. The original tank was 35 gallons and we are replacing the tank with about 52 or 53 gallon tank. The old tank had a crack in it, which leads to a pretty stinky environment. We started here by cleaning out the tank and getting as much as we could out of the tank so that we didn't have to deal with the nasty stuff that's in that tank while we were working on it.
There's a piece coming out.
Mm-hmm. That makes me sad.
Yes, the tear apart.
It happens to fit through there
Just perfectly,
on purpose. There's the culprit.
Right there.
I think it's original
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
poly tank that no longer holds in what it's supposed to hold in, so it's got to go.
What I need is like 1/8 inch aluminum sheet.
You weld it or?
I'm welding it, yeah.
Okay, you just need to cut it out?
Yeah, cut it and bend it if we
Probably
can.
Down, tell Tim down the other building because that's where they cut it and bend it.
Okay.
Down there. Just talk to him.
All right, talk to Tim.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hey,
Tim, how you doing?
good.
We're building an aluminum tank for a boat, like 1/8 inch aluminum. The tank's going to be this 10 by 21 by 60.
A lot of times I can, you welding it up, are you?
Yeah,
Or,
yeah.
a lot of times I can just get by bending 2 U's.
Just do 2 U's
Yeah,
and
yeah,
we'll
so-
do 2
So
welds.
basically you do up, over and down, this one go under, back up, and that side done.
Does this give you enough information to give you what you need,
Yeah,
you think?
want that outside measurements on them?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah,
Okay.
it ends up about 53 gallons or something like that. So that'd be perfect.
All right,
So-
see if we can ever been up for you.
Appreciate it. All right, thanks, Tim. We are in Burlington, Iowa today. We've designed the new tank that we're putting in the boat, and we came up here to Beams Welding in Burlington, Iowa. Great bunch of guys, really good fabricators. He's going to cut out and bend up a tank for me. I'll weld it together sometime this week, and we'll pressure test it, and we'll get that tank back in there. All right, this is what we have. There's a camera that won't cooperate. This is what we got. We got our aluminum pieces for our tank. He did it in 2 pieces. He did it in a U, and then the U in the bottom, like this. And we'll fit them together and start welding that together. And then we're gonna put a hole in it where one of the bungs go and pressurize this tank and check it to make sure that it's not leaking to build this tank. The Blackwater tank that we just built, we had Beams Welding bend it up for us. We welded it up. I put that access in it, sensor for level sensor, and we welded these bungs in it.
I pressure tested it last night. It's good to go. It's all sealed up, and now it's time to install it. And there we are, with all of it back together and looking like normal. And underneath there is the tank, just like it's supposed to be. So, one yucky job, all done.
If you got anything out of this video or enjoyed it in any way, please like and subscribe to our channel. It's the best way to help us, and we sure appreciate you watching. Have a great day.